like a homebody.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay Moolah. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to do how to achieve a big curly look, big curly like lustrous look. As you can see in this picture right here that I did, I kind of did like these big curls, but they were like kind of tight but not too tight, so I would run my finger through them, and I think I just looks so bomb in them. What y'all think? Okay. So in this video I will be doing a how-to. Y'all gonna be seeing me curl my wig, not my hair, my unit slash wig. And this is the same one that in the picture I'm wearing, and the hair is by West Kiss Hair. This is not sponsored. I just want to put that out there because y'all know I rock with West Kiss like this. You know, we here, we see each other, okay? I rock with them. So let's get right into this video and cut the chit chat out. But before, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so y'all can be notified when some new content is up. So let's get into this video, y'all. Before I start, I want to show you guys some of the very minimum items that I use. So I start with a red tail comb. I think I got this from beauty supply store. I also have like my detangler brush, weave brush, paddle brush, whatever y'all want to call it, you know, to brush the kinks out. I have I have my hair clips. I got these from Sally's. You can get these from anywhere, beauty supply store, Walmart, Target, whatever, Rite Aid. I also have some pump it up spray, y'all, to get those flyaways down because they be sticking up, messing up the picture. And I also have some Tresemme mousse. You don't have to use mousse. I feel like the spritz is good, but sometimes you want to get it nice and flat. And here is the main item that we are going to be using, and this is my Argan. It's hot now. My Argan, I believe it goes up to 400, which is good. I have it on 400 now, and this will be on, I don't know if y'all can see, maybe I can move it in, on 30. This thing, I got this like last week, and this thing, actually I got the box. Hold on. So, this is the box that it came in, and this is it, y'all. This is Argan Heat ceramic curling iron, and it also came with like a oil, like some type of oil, argan Moroccan oil with it. I did use it and it smelled really good, but I don't usually like to put like a lot of product on my weave, not even my real hair, because you don't want it to weigh it down and look like wet and like just it's not gonna be cute, okay? Not gonna be cute. But it does go up to 400 degrees. It's 1.5 inch ceramic barrel, and that's it. I don't really want to get, you know, into it too much, but we're gonna get started. I have my so y'all can see I brushed the curls out. Like, if y'all, the picture that I show, like I really curled the crap out of my hair. So this is really easy, really easy, really easy. Well, I'm not gonna say easy because not everybody can do hair like that. I'm a big curl queen. I love curls all the time, curls all the time. But I feel as though it's easy. I'm gonna try to do it in the easiest, most beginner friendly way I can. And if you guys get stuck or you have any questions, don't forget to leave some comments, or leave a comment in the section below. So let's get moving. Okay, let's try. So I like to start sectioning off. Don't worry about what's going on under there. I'll fix that. This is my dark cap. I done messed this part right here. Y'all not gonna see that. It don't even matter. I'm just doing whatever right about now. Because when I was cutting the unit, Like I cut like a piece off still that's hanging right there. I still ain't fix it because once I curl you ain't gonna see it. So I take like a small section of hair. I mean, you guys could part it. So I take a small section, try to go all the way. I take that section, and you could use a scrunchie. I take my hair clips. Sometimes it's too much hair, so I do both of them. Oh, I look crazy. It don't matter though. I like to use the red tail comb after I detangle the hair, just so when you taking that piece of hair that you're taking, it's really gonna come out nice and smooth, and it's not gonna be any tangled strands, no strand left behind. So I never really looked at any other videos like how to or whatever. I just figured like I would do this because I really love to curl hair. So I'm like, since I love to curl hair, I could help my girls, my Moolah gang, and everybody else, you know. So this thing is nice and hot. I take that down. So I take it this way, and you just want to kind of watch your hands. See, I'm a pro. You know, if you're a pro, you can do this. They have gloves too, so you don't burn your fingers or your hand. I burnt myself so many times over the years. I got it down pat. So I want to leave it there. Leave it there because it's so hot. You don't really need to leave it there that long. So, and I'm gonna roll it up, and then we're gonna let that thing come down. Y'all see that? Lusciousness. And that thing is bouncy. That thing is bouncy. Make you want to bounce. Like, so now I just go into my next strand. Now I have seen some people curl their hair. Like I take the barrel and I take the first part this way. I go like this. I've seen people go this way. Now I guess if you're looking for a certain look and you can achieve that look going facing the barrel that way. I think I have done that before, but I usually do it this way. Because that way you're getting a curl going back this way. I feel like if you do it that way, you want the curl to come forward. You want the curl to come back and flow, okay? My stomach is growling like I must really be hungry. Y'all really think I'm about to eat? I'm probably gonna eat some yogurt. You really think I'm about to eat a whole meal when I got B2K Millennium concert coming down the next week? You must be crazy. So I've been in the gym. I'm not. I am no way endorsing starving yourself. But this child, I done lost 6 pounds. I ain't got time. It's not good to eat late anyway. It's good to snack. Has anybody been to the concert? Like, I'm in Philly, so they come down. We go see them on the 30th, which is a Saturday. You know, I've been seeing clips on Instagram, and I don't care. Some people hate. I don't care. B2K is always going to be good with me. Now, them other groups, I don't really care about. Like, Pretty Ricky, alright, but B2K is the only reason why I'm going. I didn't care about no Bobby Valentino. I mean, Chingy, I could do for the right there, you know, but I don't care about the rest of y'all. Do not care about the rest of y'all hoes. I mean, from what I seen, when they was doing the rehearsals before they started touring, I was like, yes. Oh my God. I said, they is looking so good. Do y'all see this? Look at this. I said, oh my God, B2K, y'all stop playing. Just putting it out there, J-Boog is my husband and always will be. Always will be. So y'all back up off. Don't get in the comments talk about J-Boog. No. That is my man. I picked him. I ain't even want Marion. I ain't want nobody. J-Boog, okay? They look good though. What y'all think? A lot of y'all haters, but they out here getting them checks. They said we need a check. And Lil Fizz was the one that initially started it. Y'all remember that? When I was watching Love and Hip Hop, was it Hollywood? He was the one that was trying to get them together in the first place. And then Marion was on some other stuff. Like, I don't have time. Marion, nobody's checking for you anymore, okay? When you was doing Icebox and Touch and all that, they was feeling you, but nobody's checking for your music now. So you might as well get up there and dance your little heart out and get them checks. I know they making money. I mean, Lil Fizz was right. I'm like, Lil Fizz, that's why I was messing with him for that. I'm like, he trying to get out because I wanted to go. And now we are here. I don't know what happened, what made them break, but I'm glad. Y'all need to thank Lil Fizz because he the one that said he wanted to do it. And everybody's, well, my husband, J Book, he was in for it. And then when they tried to involve Ray J, I was just like, y'all, please do not do that. Don't do it. Because that man is annoying. I hate him. Like, can he even dance? I don't know. Just don't put him in nowhere near B2K. Y'all gonna ruin that whole legacy. Terrible. He talking about some Ray 2K. If you don't get out of here, nobody cares about you. I know he wish he was a part of that tour. I mean, he made his little money off his little scooter things, but I don't care. I don't like Ray J, y'all. As y'all can see, I don't like him. I don't know that man personally, but I don't like him. Not personally. He's annoying. So, I'm running my mouth so much. Do y'all see how, like it's really going to come together once I'm done? It's going to come together. So, it's really good. I believe the pattern I got this in was loose wave, so this really worked out really good with, you know, with the curling irons I have and the way that I'm curling my hair. It worked out. This curl pattern worked out like perfect because I got loose waves, but I don't think it really matters whether you get loose wave or straight. I mean, these curling irons are pretty good. I mean, they're good.
I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a girl that can't get no love from me. Sitting in the passenger side of her best friend's ride. Try to holler at me.
Baby girl, you stay on my mind. Fulfill my fantasy. Tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
I love cheap grills.
So
rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you, rockabye, baby. Don't you cry, no.
well, Monday where the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm.
So please have mercy on me and take it easy on my heart.
Like controller.
Cause all we need is somebody to lead on.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel.
She caught me on the counter,
It wasn't me.
saw me banging on the sofa.
Cause I've been up all night, no sleep. Cause I feel like I'm always dreaming.
Who do you love? And are you sure?
Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
So wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo.
Jealousy turning saints into the sea, but it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now I bet you smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Now, before I started this video, I did go ahead and take my straightening comb off the stove, and I went through the top part to get the closure part flat, okay? That's the only thing I did not record, and I forgot. I'm like, why did I just do that? But I already did it, so That's the only thing I did that you guys will not see in the video. Maybe next time if I do another how to achieve look, I'll make sure to input that in. But I was in such a rush trying to get everything set up that I had already flat ironed the top to get that thing flat. Y'all see how flat that is? See, I don't be trying to have no humps, because I talk about people that do that. So I gotta make sure I'm on point. So this is the curled side, and this is the side that is not curled. So when I come back, we'll have a full head of curls. So y'all, I'm back. I am done. I'm just going to try to make sure everything flat. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? So for me, I take my fingers and I just run through them, you know, separate it however you want it to look, because I like mine, you know, I like this big bouncy soft look, like, you know, I like this look. This gets me excited. Sometimes, like if I'm going out, I'll just touch up the front strands, like just touch them up just to give them that done look, like we done. Just that I don't really go back over the hair. I just take like the front part and I just go back over, because I like this little, I like the accentuation of the front like this. That's the look that I love to go for. So sometimes just go back and take those two front strands. You shouldn't need to really touch nothing else. It's just the front strands. I'm a perfectionist, so I was just like, I need to get this right for the pics. The pics gotta be right. So I gotta make sure my hair is looking the way I want it to be. Okay. You could take a comb or a brush if you want. I just like to take my hand. And that's it. What do y'all think? I think this is cute, okay? As y'all can see, I was trying it today, okay? When I was doing my makeup for this video, I said, well, let me go in with some purple. Y'all see? Just let me know what y'all, because I'm really hyped about this look. I'm really hyped, okay? I thought I did a good job, so I just had to let y'all know. Let me know what y'all think. I really love this hair. I love this loose, like, beach look. Like, I just feel like if I'm on a beach, I'm running in the sand, my curls are gonna be bouncing. And it's just like a lot of body. I love it. I love it. And it's soft. It doesn't look like I have on a darn hat. And I just go in and take my Pump It Up Spritz. I go in, I cover my face, and I just spray a few times, and you just pat it down to get those flyaways. See, it's some flyaways. I just go in and do that, and then I'm good to go. So I hope y'all guys love the final look. This is the final look of how to achieve big loose body curls. I think this is really easy. I think it's a great look. I love it, and you have to get the right hair for it. I honestly agree with that, but this look is delicious, okay? You can wear this anywhere. You can go out with your girls. You could go on a date with your man. You can go anywhere. Go on vacation with this hairstyle and still be popping. So this is it, you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.
When I let you hit, I put my back in it. Please don't pull my hair, I got them tracks in it. Can